I went blonde, y'all. How cute is this blonde color? Cynosure Hair sent over this beautiful blonde wig for me to try for y'all today. It is a frontal and it came with some lashes, a wig cap, and a melt band. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has the combs, has an adjustable strap in the back as well to make it nice and secure. I did use those because when I put the wig on, I had pretty much a lot of space. So if you are on the bigger headed side, this will be a great wig for you. If you're on the smaller headed side, still a good option for you because you can adjust it and make sure that the wig fits snug. You don't have like that big gap. So when I put wigs on, I always start off with my hot comb because that hot comb, the heat pushes all the hair out your face and it gets all out of the way of the lace so that way you can have a clean install. And then I always go towards those ear tab areas if I'm working with the full frontal to get that cut off. We like to have some good measurements starting off. Now I got this wig straight out of the packaging just like this. I did not do anything to it. It is nice and plucked out. You don't have a full thick hairline. It can be worn straight out of the packaging. I'm installing mine with a little bit of Ebin spray to make sure that the wig is secure. Won't be sliding and gliding on my head. And will stay in place. And then I'm going to stick it in place with the Cynosure melt band. Now the wig does come curled actually, so if you don't want to curl it, you could wear the curls like that or brush them out, whatever you want to do. I wanted mine to be a little bit more of a loose curl, which is why I'm using this hot heating tool to add curls into my hair, because then at the end I'm going to kind of layer it just a little bit more because it does have some nice curtain bang layers in the front, which you'll see shortly. Now I'm loving the shade of this blonde. I love that it has different variations of blonde in it. It just flows really well together. I think this is still going to be real cute to wear in the summer and in the winter. It's just going to be a cute wig, especially if you want to have some fun and have a blonde shade going on. I've been really feeling these blonde colors lately. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I think my last few videos have had some type of blonde action going on in it, and it looks good. And what I appreciate most is that this one at the roots, it's a little bit darker. They didn't give you just full on blonde roots. It's a little bit darker, which makes it a lot easier to blend into darker skin. Once I added the curls to the back of the hair, I'm just going to go on and work into this lace a little bit more using my scissors plus my little razor because it gives you like that jagged edge of a cut. Then we add a little bit more spray. It gives that final melt that you need. Use the melt band again too. And then once you take it off that second time, it'll be nice and blended into your skin. And then of course, if you need to, you can use some makeup, which I'm going to use a little bit once I get finished adding these curls. Another thing that I like to point out is that it is a good density wig. It's not thin, even though it's not real long. It's in the long category, but it's not thin at all. Like, it's just good and full out throughout the entire wig. And these curls are beautiful, and I also really like the curtain bangs. I like the length of them because usually I feel like sometimes curtain bangs can be a little bit too short, but I didn't feel that way with these. So this is that Final time taking that melt band off, and you can see exactly what it looks like, and it looks a whole lot better. And then I'm just adding some makeup back to my forehead, making sure that it looks nice and seamless, and the blend is giving. Also went in and just plucked my parting space a little bit more because I needed it to be a little bit more visible. Since it is more full in the frontal area, I needed to pluck it out so I can make sure that you can see it. And then I'm going to add makeup to it as well. That way it just gives like a little bit more of a cleaner look that way. Time and patience is key, guys. You got to just work with it to get it going and get it how you want it to look. This is coming together real good. I would say this is a good 10 out of 10 slay. Because when it comes to me in color, I'm always nervous. But with this color, it just looks really good. And then we're adding those final little curls to the front. You can see how I'm getting those layers together and getting the curls added. I love a loose curl. I am not a fan of tight curls, and it just looks so beautiful. So please let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I would love to hear it. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Cynosure for sending this unit over. If you're interested in it, it is in my description bar. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.